Welcome back to the course. In this video lecture, I will show you how you can make money with Chatgpt by providing engaging ad copy services for Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or any other social media platform. But let's start by explaining what is ad copy. Ad copy is a text used in advertising such as headline, call to action, or description of a product or service. It's the main way to communicate the message that the advertiser wants to convey to the audience. Ad copies should be concise, compelling, and relevant to the target audience in order to be effective. So each social media platform, it's either Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, have its requirements when it comes to writing those ad copies. Usually, when a seller or marketer publishes an ad on any of these platforms, this ad usually goes through a review process. Then it's either accepted or rejected by a reviser. This is why you need to be careful if you decide to ever publish an ad on Facebook, for example. You need to really follow their rules. But let's focus on the topic of providing engaging ad copy services for any of these platforms. So I asked Chatgpt to generate or write an ad copy for Facebook. This was a generic request, so I didn't mention the company name, I didn't mention what we were selling. I just wrote that I need an ad copy for Facebook. So Chatgpt said the following: introducing the newest must-have for your wardrobe, our fashionable and versatile clothing line. So we are selling clothes. So whether you're looking for a casual weekend look or a sophisticated office ensemble, we got you covered. With a wide range of styles and sizes available, you're sure to find something you'll love. Plus, our prices won't break the bank. Shop now and elevate your wardrobe today. And we also had important hashtags in this ad copy. And now we can be very specific with this. We can request the same ad copy, but we want this ad copy to be optimized for clicks or high converting. So we asked Chatgpt to make this ad copy optimized for clicks, and it changed the language a bit. The ad copy is written in a sense that it screams urgency to the reader. So a user has to act now in order to get the items that they want. So it's a limited time offer. But what if we want to be even more specific and say that we are targeting only people that are 35 plus? So those aged 35 and above. When writing ad copies, you know that you cannot target everyone. So you have to have a specific target audience in mind. And Facebook lets you do that. You can target by demographics, you can target by age, by location, and so on. So for this example, I use the age group 35 plus. And that is why Chatgpt changed the ad copy and didn't use as much slang language in the ad copy. And it targets specifically those people that are in this age group. So if you have a target audience in mind, if you have a product in mind, or the client wants an ad copy for a specific product, you can write those specifics in Chatgpt search. So let's say that we had a client that sells pet supplies. They want an ad copy for Instagram, and they want an ad copy that is high converting. So Chatgpt wrote this engaging ad copy for Instagram for pet supplies, and this is only for people that have pets, of course. So it starts with attention all pet owners, and it ends with an invitation to check our offer. So show us your pet's happy face by tagging us and using pet supplies and so on. You can do the same thing for TikTok as well. So for TikTok, we had an ad copy where we offer business consulting services to young entrepreneurs. And our ad copy starts with calling all young entrepreneurs. They ask a question, do you want to take your business to the next level? And then ad copy explains what we do and invite them to book their consultation call with us. If you don't like this, Chatgpt can always rewrite this with a different wording or a little bit more optimized for SEO and for clicks. If you check out Fiverr, you can see that for ad copy writing gigs, there are 3,000 services available, but some of these sellers had very good clients, such as this one. He had Nike as a client, and he charges $135 for a short ad sales copy that is 200 words. And the other one, so this guy charges $40 for one ad copy for targeted audience and for a specific platform, that's Facebook. So if we check out Upwork, so I typed in ad copy for Facebook. Some people are charging $80 per hour, so $88, $60, $206 for their ad copywriting services. So you see there's a lot of room and there's a lot of opportunity in this space because advertising and marketing is always popular and every company needs it. Every company needs a good ad copy for their social media platforms, and you can't really go wrong by offering this service. One thing that I want to add here as a bonus tip and how you can really distinguish your service offer is to actually offer this writing ad copy service in different languages. So if you write one ad copy for Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, you can always ask Chatgpt to write the same ad copy in a different language. And I asked Chatgpt to write this last ad copy in Spanish, and it translated it for me. So, atención a todos los jóvenes empresarios. So basically it's calling all young entrepreneurs. ¿Quieres llevar tu negocio al siguiente nivel? Do you want to level up your business? And then it says, no pierdas esa oportunidad de mejorar tu negocio. So don't lose this opportunity to improve your business. And then it gave me hashtags in Spanish. So really, Chatgpt can generate content in different languages. So with this, you can really level up your service and offer writing in Spanish, German, Italian, or any other language that comes to your mind. Because a lot of companies, yes, they do write ad copies in English, but they also do business in different parts of the world and in different countries. And they need to adjust their ad copies to that country's language. And this is why this is a good idea to use Chatgpt for this as well. Instead of using Google Translate, Chatgpt would do much better work with this. Thank you for watching.